good afternoon, and good night. Whenever it is that you're watching this vlog, beautiful Saturday morning, beautiful Jamaican Saturday morning. Look how the weather nice, beautiful. It's a lovely day, and I'm just sending greetings to y'all. I know some of y'all where one of the, I know the weather not nice, the cold and everything, but me I enjoy look at the walk phone down here. The winter soon, it's soon broke, man. It's soon broke. So I'm just sending thanks. I'm just giving thanks and sending love to you wherever you are. Just love and peace. Make sure say you laugh today. Make sure you laugh today. So me start up Saturday morning there on the outside, you know. Saturday morning is always a different man, no matter how much work you do in the week. Please comment. No, it doesn't matter how much work you do in the week. When Saturday comes, there's always this extra cleaning. Where it come from, heaven knows, no matter how you try. But that's how it goes. Eh? So see me out here. So I want to see my room. There is a room favor me. I need to on the same movement. Yeah, but it has sweep today. So I brush up my back. Under my back. I want to see Roxy do it my mint door. Roxy pop down my mint, you know. Parry, I say him. I don't know. Roxy broke down the mint. I forgot to make an arbor for the mint to carry it back. Roxy no fine. When I give him a little let go. Ah, Jesus. Sometimes I let him go. Sometimes I leash him, you know. Because the man want to go through the gate, go on the outside, out the road. Him not have no company. He had a little company, but she passed on. And one day, I got to make me own a Roxy pie. Roxy not easy, you know. Now I don't know who the real Roxy is. So, all the tomato, you know, him just walk through them and I have tomato. I show me some have tomato. But, you know, sometimes all things can come different. These tomatoes, the seeds were like the little plummy, the little cherry tomatoes. So I have tomatoes, so them grow come big and so. And I have some other ones right here, so. And another one was here. You see the stick? This is the stick like how I stick them. My Roxy just come. See, sir? Me and him a party the other day around the back here. Him just come. Big tree, you know, big and one of those. He just came and pull it out and Roxy and my taste here. But I love him. Love him, you see? But I'm a taste. A camera girl love him. So you know, say hi from behind the camera.
Morning, guys.
So we're here, we're home, we're here for now. Dad and son is not here, then gone on the road, then gone a far country, gone proud. So them not carry because I'm manting them depend. So because I'm gone a country and gone for manting, we are going to go for one later on the road. And of course we're going to carry now. But you know, it's Saturday morning, so we'll be jumping around. I have some whites in the machine, that's why I see me come out and I sweep up around the backyard. And I'm you know, so you can't hang out the clothes them. You know, you have to clean up. Normally, country thing, we are clean up under the line before we hang out to close them. Comment. So, I'm going to be doing a video for the cooking channel. More than likely, you'll be seeing that video before you see this vlog. So, I'm just going to be getting me a clean up around the backyard. So now, typical Jamaican, something typical Caribbean. Good morning to my Caribbean family. Good morning to you wherever you are. To my Bajan, Merle, big up yourself. To my Trini, to my Grenada, and all of my Caribbean people them. Good morning to my Haitians in the house. Good morning to you all. You all know yourselves. Bright and pretty morning, and we're giving thanks. So, that's yes it. Jump around, and we're doing a video for the cooking channel. And try to see if we can get that upload before we leave. If not, so later on we're going to be trying our very best. Still internet now going good. They're supposed to come here today to check it. Water not too bad. Come and get a few loads of laundry out. Let me give thanks. And that's what I'm doing. But as I jump around the bright sunny Saturday morning, yeah, and I go do what I have to do, catch up back on you, and then now somewhere down the line you will see us. We'll be on the road because we'll be taking you on the road. And in Ghana country, Ghana far country, St. Bess, that come from St. Bess, St. Elizabeth. You know, we all call that parish St. Bess for short. So, in Ghana country, pan long run and say a man thing, then they pan them not carry. So, since them not carry part for them man thing that we could have carried on with we're going to take you on our girls thing with we later on. Okay?
Alright, guys. So, hi. We're out on the road now. It's really late. Well, not really late. It's like after 4. around that time.
After 5.
Yeah, and we're at Chilitos now. We're going. It's like a Jamaican restaurant. So me and mom are going to go over there now. When we go inside, it has music. In there has music. But the thing is, we're going to still try a video, but it's going to be muted out. We're going to try to mute it out, and we're going to try and best or show you what our food was and like how inside stay and stuff like that. So we're gonna go over there now.
Hi Paris, a camera girl is taking me to Chilitos because she must have some money for good Chilitos.
It's
Jamaican.
not that expensive.
Show them over there now.
Yeah,
Look like.
I have to
It's not
turn
anything
it.
fussy, you know, it's just like a kind of reggae vibes thing like.
So when you go inside, you guys will be able to see the inside and stuff like. It's like a reggae vibe they're trying to give off. So we're gonna cross the road now and go inside. So when we're inside and we get food and stuff like that, we'll show you guys. Guys, so we're now at Sovereign Center in Ligani, and we're in the car park right now. As you guys can see, we're in the car park. We're going to go inside. We're just inside the plaza. We're just showing you that we're here now. We left Chilitos already, and now we're coming in. We're going inside.
So Paris. Me have one story for sure. We don't know. Me and camera girl inside. What the place named Chilitos? Yeah. When me get a one place where I like at home or somewhere, cause I wanna know me different, you know. I'm gonna put this to y'all and then you can tell me what do you think.
So this is inside now. We've been in Sovereign before. We showed you guys inside of Sovereign, but yeah. This is a slipper store. Slippers and dress, and that's just Jamaican clothes like when tourists come. That's the movie part. Oh. That's the sign. So this is upstairs. I can see it. You can see it. This is upstairs, guys, and then that's downstairs down there. I'm sure you guys can see all that down there. Yeah, that's downstairs. That's like the food court and all those other places, and up here is just the shops. And we passed the movie theater. Yeah, we passed the movie theater already. Up here is not really that packed. Well, the food court part is. Where are we going?
If it's up here, I'm going to Azan. If it's up here, you're up here in a park this time. So down there, well, that's a food court down there, right? And we are on the upstairs, so we're going to Lee's. Not Lee's, what Lee's?
Azan?
Azan, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Azan
Oh. Alright, so over there's Flow. This is Payless. Guys, no shoe store. But there's Digicel. That side. The supermarket is further down. Yeah, the supermarket is further down.
The supermarket is outside.
Yeah.
When we leave Azan, we are going to the supermarket.
So we're
50% off second item.
I have no money. Oh. Yeah, so that's inside there.
No exclusions.
Exclusions as in no.
Have no money.
So this is Azan over here. We're going inside and we can't video. So when we're done, we'll see you guys back. Me and Mom are going to the supermarket because I need to get some cranberry juice. Not the ocean spray cranberry water, the actual cranberry juice. So supermarket's down that way, right?
Yeah. This is it.
That's the car park. This is the other part of the car park over here. This is the front, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We entered from the
Back.
From the back.
From
Or
the
the
side, whichever one.
something like that.
Over there's her. Oh, Ashley. So we can see. And this is the supermarket here. So we're going to go inside, and as usual, can't vlog. So we're gonna go inside now. So yeah, this is the entrance over here. So we're going to go inside. So when we have bought what we need and come back out, we'll see you guys. So heading out to the front now. Mom has the shopping bag, but the bag that we got. Hello? Yeah, you're okay? Okay. Yeah, we're okay. We're going to get a taxi to come down now. Yeah. So yes, we're going outside now and going to get our taxi to go home. Oh, and right here is MAC, by the way, the makeup store. You can see it. Yes, that's the makeup store over there. So we're gonna stand out here and wait on our taxi to come. Okay guys, so we're at home now. It's like about almost 8 o'clock. Yeah. So yeah, nothing to say.
Well, Paris, I am back home. I'm gonna give the Lord Jesus thanks. The food, it was not bad. Probably about, let's say, get 80. Because look at each near, some little itches I may find there near, you know, here and there. But just for me, you know, that's just for me. Not something that I would eat often though. I feel really crave this little baby here. This little baby when the body no are the twin that I have here. I feel really, I would have to eat something that this food, Mexican stuff, I feel definitely feel for it. You know, like some days you know I crave something just different. Not somewhere that I would eat. Not something that I would eat often. The surface was warm. Yes, it was. And the price wasn't bad at all. I was surprised at the price. But not something that like say eat often, to be honest. Yes, you can eat a lot. Another thing about it, and it don't fill you up. You know, it's light and all of that. When you finish eating, you can move around and all of that. But not something that I would eat often. But I just guess you did just want to try it.
Yeah.
And she heard about it a long time ago and she just wanted to try it. And we were supposed to go get what, bubble tea? But come on, girl, just clown out on that because she said she did start never feel well, you know, well, problems. And we are back home, and that was it. Like basically that was, we did a little here and there, not much today, not much. We did just take it slow, did a video for the channel, cooking channel, and we left out later. And that was basically, we could have stayed a little bit, but she said she started feeling not so well, and then we come home. So we give thanks. So we are home, and we thank you today for your company that you carried us all through. And you came through with us. You was here from we started in the morning, and then went out on the road. Yeah, you saw what we eat, you saw what we do. So if you think you have liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and you can share if you want to. And you know, it's always the Jamaican Debbie Deb train. Debbie Deb's train. You'll never know what is coming next. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. All you are new right on over here. Thank you so much. Thank you for your warm comments. And those who are new and have commented and have not replied as yet, don't worry. I am really late on my comments, but I'm coming right to you. I am promising, and I just cannot get up to par, but I am getting there. I will get there. Okay, so it's not just I don't answer. I do answer each and every comment, as long as it's in, you know, good order and stuff. So I'm coming right to you, because I like to answer the comments to how they are stated. When somebody writes like a full paragraph, I prefer like to, you know, to answer in probably a full paragraph as opposed to answering in a word or two, you know, and that takes a little time to go through, and they're still building up. But thank you for your patience. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support, especially in the comment section. I'm feeling so loved, you all. You don't even know how loved I'm feeling. So it is Saturday night. Me, I go get my shower. I want to sleep on my face. Say I want to sleep. Come on, girl. She look how you look, so. So we're gonna end it right here for now. And thank you so much again. Enjoy your week, the rest of your weekend. Be blessed, stay blessed, and remember, don't let this day out. We still have a few hours to 12 and you don't laugh. Thank you so much. Remember, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.